folks, got the beautiful Fatima here. Baby, tell us what you're doing with that chicken, baby.
I deep fry it.
You gonna deep fry it? Alright, well show us what you got so far. What's going on with this chicken?
I cut the chicken and it's cooked inside.
Alright, you've sliced that chicken up like Jack the Ripper. You've sliced them all the way around.
Yeah, after it's cooked.
Okay, where are you putting the vegetables?
Inside.
Let's see. Also, it's stuffed full of onions and
garlic.
Onions and garlic?
Yeah.
Anything else in there?
No.
That's it?
Yeah.
And you're gonna deep fry this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you got enough oil.
We have one. I think we have one to in there.
Okay, as long as you got enough oil, baby. And folks, she's using the Gerber strong arm. Well, the knockoff. But that Gerber strong arm, I'm gonna tell you, it's a champion. It's a great kitchen knife. And it's a great survival outdoor type knife as well. But it's a great kitchen knife. Just has the right length and everything. It's been raining today. You know, my weatherman was wrong. He said it was all going to roll out on Sunday. My weatherman is my taxi driver, old John Paul. You know, we don't watch the news. I don't check the weather. I should. But I just figure, hey, you know, my taxi driver, John Paul, he must have checked the weather. So he knows what he's talking about. So he said it's going to be out of here by Sunday. Not the case. Still raining. I mean, it's come some heavy downpours and then it lightens up, but not to where our street has turned into a river. Knock on wood. We're still good on that. But just rainy, dreary ass weather. The good thing about it is it cools things off, so it's nice and cool now. And you know, when it comes floods like this, I mean, during the rains, there's no mosquitoes because it's washing all them bastards down the line. And when it stops raining and they're standing in water, that's when you got a problem with mosquitoes.
It's raining again.
Yeah, it's raining again. Speaking of the devil, I started talking about it. It's raining again. Other places in the Philippines, we talk to people. Oh, no, it's sun shining, it's sun shining. But here on Subi Bay is like a rain magnet for some reason. Beautiful, baby, my goodness. What a beautiful girl, folks. We get a little cooking area set up over here. I think we need to do some work on your tarp, baby.
Huh?
I think we need to do some work on your tarp. What do you think? Oh, get a tune out of that trombone. Alright, let's come out here, folks. Get my feet muddy. I don't know where my slippers are.
It's in the front.
It's in the I know.
In the front door.
Front door. Yeah, folks, she's got the walk cranked up to 90. Got the G-walk going on. Honey, no cursing.
I cannot open this.
It's starting to rain. Gonna run me out of here. Yep. Well, smoke. What's that dude got over there? Of course, she stole the bread. He's over there chowing down on the bread she got from the bakery. Just gonna use my umbrella to cook. All right. see what she can do here. So baby, I need that umbrella to do my filming. How about I come out there and film? Alright, you gonna get it going now?
Yeah, but I cannot open that.
You gonna put that on the cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. Folks, you see the stuff we gotta go through just to cook a meal during the rainy season. Is that from the leftover camping gear?
Yeah.
Take a look at this here chicken that the old lady prepared. See if it's gonna meet my standard. Baby, I'm gonna tell you right now, that looks absolutely delicious to me. What were you saying? She said something happened to the chicken. I'm not sure what happened. That looks perfect for me. I mean, it's a right crispiness. You know, I like my meat cooked well done. And look at them French fries. You can't beat this right here. What's wrong with the chicken, baby? What
I'm
happened?
going to peel off.
Huh?
The cut. I need to cut because the inside it's not cooked, so I need to cut the chicken.
It looks done to me. I think it's done.
Yeah, it's done because I cut the chicken. No, it's not a whole chicken. It's a.
It don't matter if it's cut into a few pieces. It's still eat the same. Well, the river is back. It's been raining all damn night. It's still raining. It's not as high as it was the other day, but the rain ain't stopped. So again, we're fine up here, but look out your window and you got coconuts floating down the street again.